You took my son away from me. You know how hard it was for me to get him to stay in school and graduate? You know how many black men graduate? Not many. Because you bring them down to this type of level where they feel like I don't got nothing to live for anyway. They gonna try to take me out anyway.
Rest in peace. Solos we lost. By murder of the police.
Look, I ain't wait for the perfect moment. Took the moment, made it perfect. Don't do it for the money, but I know I deserve it. For the people that feel shafted by the Zimmerman verdict. Rest in peace, Jonathan Fair, cause you was murdered by the same people that's supposed to protect the surface. Now what I'm supposed to tell my kids when they heard it? Crazy world, swear it's a crazy world. As I put this prosthetic leg on my little girl. Look in her eyes so pure. All of this pain we must endure. They killing our youth before they mature. Can't even send my son to the store if it's secure. I'm so tired of bending, might have to snap today. Grab up that pistol and just go blast away. I might sound ignorant, but I have to say, I don't know if I'ma die because I'm black today.
The FBI entered the case of an officer in Ferguson, Missouri, who shot an unarmed black man to death over the weekend. That sparked rioting. Fires were set.
I witnessed the police chase after the guy full force. He was unarmed. He ran for his life. They shot him, and he fell. He put his arms up to let them know he was compliant and that he was unarmed. And they shot him twice more, and he fell to the ground and died.
Murder was all she wrote. Yeah, and dying was not a choice. Another life lost to murder. Hey, they supposed to protect and serve us. I'm just trying to live right. They just trying to take my life. Another soul lost to murder. They supposed to protect and serve us. 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 Hey, they supposed to protect and serve us.
Nobody. My son just turned 18 and graduated from high school. He don't bother nobody. I ain't doing good. You got a life? I can give to my son so he can come back.
Look, I don't speak for myself, I speak for the masses. Them uniform killers hiding behind them badges. I don't speak for myself, I speak for the masses. Them uniform killers hiding behind them badges. The law give you passes, we won't, we try. No change for being quiet, so we burn up shit and ride. Say justice will be served, it ain't, they lying. We tired of mamas crying and innocent people dying. Up how they did Oscar Grant and Fruitvale. Rest in peace Mike Brown, Eric Garner, Sean Bell. It's sad but your killers probably never see it sail. But while you rest in heaven we gon' bring these people hell. Yeah, hell, I'm so tired of bending I might snap. Need to get up off air, quit talking and start to act. You can ride or march, don't change the fact. It's a chance of you dying today just cause you're black.
If murder was all she wrote, yeah, and dying was not a choice. Another life lost to murder. Hey, they supposed to protect and serve us. I'm just trying to live right. They just trying to take my life. Another soul lost to murder. They supposed to protect and serve us. 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 Hey, they supposed to protect and serve us.